The National Human Rights Commission (NHRC) of India faces a crucial review in Geneva this week, where its accreditation status, particularly its A status, is under scrutiny due to concerns about its composition, investigative procedures, and representation of gender and minority groups. The voter turnout trends observed in the second phase of the general election highlight variations across states and potential factors influencing voter participation, including past election outcomes, communal rhetoric, and party strategies, with implications for the ongoing election phases. The Reserve Bank of India's recent focus on climate change in its monetary policy report reflects a growing recognition of the economic and financial impacts of extreme weather events, prompting calls for a comprehensive assessment and the development of sustainable finance strategies to mitigate risks and promote green growth. INS Vikrant, India's first domestically built aircraft carrier, marks a milestone in its naval development. The Supreme Court clarified that the process of entering symbols into voter verifiable paper audit trail units, distinct from uploading software, is safeguarded against malicious interference, addressing concerns raised by petitioners regarding the integrity of the electoral process. A report by the Global Trade Research Initiative highlights India's growing dependence on China for industrial goods, with a widening trade deficit and strategic concerns. The Indian Navy successfully guided a crude oil tanker under missile attack by Houthi militants to safety, ensuring the well-being of 30 crew members, including 22 Indians. A collaborative operation between the Gujarat Anti-Terrorist Squad and the Narcotics Control Bureau resulted in the seizure of a Pakistani boat carrying 14 crew members and 86 kilograms of drugs worth 602 crore rupees off the Porbandar coast in Gujarat. The interplay between global warming and local weather phenomena is complex and crucial, highlighting the necessity of global modeling for accurate local predictions. As the strong El Nino of 2023 transitions into a waning phase, global temperatures remain warm, but specific regional variations, such as cooler temperatures in parts of India, emphasize the intricate nature of climate dynamics. Concerned about the escalating tensions in Gaza, Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas calls on the United States to prevent Israel from attacking Rafah. This comes amid threats of an all-out assault by Israel on the neighborhood to eliminate Hamas' remaining forces. Hamas is set to respond to Israel's ceasefire proposal, while international efforts, including Egypt's mediation, aim to find a path toward lasting calm in the region.